2000 GMC Sonoma V6. Beautiful truck. Got a stock catalytic converter still on it. 2 1/4 tailpipe. Y pipe setup. 2 1/4 all the way back. We did duals, straight pipe duals with a Y pipe setup into 4-inch tips right there and right there, rolled edge. I think I'll like it. I hope you guys like it too. If you guys want these tips, you can see the description for a link in the description. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Guys, it's actually a 2003. I do apologize. 2003 Sonoma. Sound decibels? 108. Not bad at all. Sounds good. Hope you guys like it too. Let us know in the comments what you guys think. Duals, duals. I like it. What do you guys think of the sound? Came out really deep. Again, 2003 Sonoma. Let you guys hear on the inside. And it's a standard, which even makes it even sound better.